Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to download WOO dating app. If you are an Android user, then open Play Store. If you are an iOS user, then App Store. Tap on the search bar and search WOO dating app. Then look for its official WO app by WPTE Limited. Tap on this icon. You can see it on the screen. Then tap on install. It might take some time according to your internet speed. Make sure you have a good internet connection to make more friends. Thank you for watching this video. You can like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.